Hello friends, welcome to new session for chapter number 3. Last time we saw factors on which resistance will depend, and basically we show that resistance depend on length as well as depend on area. Now today we are going to see a relation between current density and electric field. So simple case here I have. Let's see how to solve it. As you know that current per unit area taken normal to the current is called current density. I think we discussed regarding current density. It is denoted by J, capital J or small j, no problem. And basically current density defined by J equal to I upon A. It means what? Current per unit area. Okay, it's a vector quantity, so no need to worry about that. Okay, now let's see how to solve. It means what is the relation between current density and electric field. So as we know that J equal to we have I upon A. Okay, remember this value. Now at present we have only single relation which is known as Ohm's law. The Ohm's law said V equal to IR, and value of R in last session we show that rho equal to R equal to rho L upon A. Now just insert this value of R over here. So equation here we have for voltage V equal to I into rho L upon A. Okay, but just observe karo to here I upon A, that is nothing but it is current density. Okay, I already mentioned here also. So for I upon A we can put the value J rho L. Okay, where rho stands for resistivity, L stands for length of the wire, and V stands for voltage or potential difference. Now we know the value of electric field, which is E equal to we have E dot D or E dot L. Okay, but as we just solve the value of V, which is J rho L, that we can easily compare. So over here value of L means length of the wire, and the length of the wire will be common and cancel. So final answer over here we have E equal to J into rho. This is the answer for our theory. Means this is the relation between electric field and current density. Now going simply one step ahead, which is E upon rho equal to J, but 1 upon rho equal to we have conductivity. Okay, so sigma into E, another equation over here we are getting for electric field. So both equations are valid over here. Okay, so this is a very important theory, right? Just observe it properly, and if you have any doubt just ask me. But remember this theory is very important, and whatever equations I am putting in the box, that equations are very important. Okay, for next theory. So observe it and do it well. One more thing, now we are going to conduct a unit test. So I think today or by tomorrow I am going to put a paper. Okay, that question paper you have to solve it, and up to 8th August reply me on my WhatsApp number. Till then, bye bye, thank you very much.